Okay, hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. And on today's tutorial I'm gonna show you how you can make the taskbar in Windows 11 and also in Windows 10 completely transparent, not like that translucent stuff in the settings, but completely transparent. So if you want to go ahead and if you go ahead into the settings and try to make the taskbar transparent from the settings, there is no real way of getting that effect. You can't make the taskbar completely transparent. So what you want to do is you want to go ahead to the Microsoft Store. And before we get into all of this, I would really appreciate it if you subscribe to my channel. It's completely free for you, but it helps out my channel really very much. So go ahead and do that, and also like the video. So now, with that all said, after you open the Microsoft Store, you want to go ahead and search for translucent TV. Here you go. Once that shows up, you want to go ahead and install it to your computer. So this is the software that's gonna allow you to get your taskbar to be completely transparent. So wait for it to install just for a few minutes, and once that's done, I will show you how you can get the it will make the taskbar completely transparent right after when you open it, but there are also a couple of settings that you want to fine-tune to your liking. So I'm going to show you that. So once it's done installing, go ahead and just open it, and there you go. Right off the bat, you'll get this really nice transparency going through your taskbar. You can see it here. It's completely beautiful. But if you want to go ahead and fine-tune the settings, let me show you how. Go ahead and just click on continue on the settings. Now this is the straight out the default setting here. It's completely transparent, as you can see. The highlights show up here. Now it's really beautiful. But if you go ahead to your hidden icons here, you have this icon here, the translucent TV. If you go ahead and right click on it, you have these settings. So what the settings do is, if you go ahead to desktop, it's now on clear, but if you want a little bit of translucent acrylic, I think that's what it's called. If you click on acrylic, it gives it this really nice acrylic effect. You can also have it on the default one. The normal opaque is just solid color, but I like it on the clear. But there is also a couple of things that you can do. For example, if you have a window open and when you maximize it, if you want the taskbar to be like the default it was before it was clear, you can do that by going ahead to the desktop, and when maximized window, you can just enable the settings. Now when you maximize the window, when you minimize the window, the taskbar will be transparent, but when you have a window maximized, it will get to that default effect. You can also have it to show up when you click on start. There are many settings here. You can play it through those, but I like it to be transparent with all the time. So yeah, go ahead and give it a try. It's a really cool effect. It's a really good way of having to have your taskbar completely transparent, and plus the software by itself uses like really minuscule system resources. It doesn't really use that much. So yeah, that's the plus it also works on both Windows 11 and Windows 10. So this is how you can get the transparent taskbar in your Windows 11 and Windows 10 based systems. So if you like this video, go ahead and give it a like. Make sure you subscribe, all that good stuff. Thank you for watching. I'll catch you on the next one. Bye.